Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to High on Food. Today we're diving into the world of sweetness with a classic Indian dessert that pure to comfort you in every bite, Gajar ka Halwa. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our food family. Now let's get started. The star of show today is our gorgeous carrots. We're going to turn them into a delicious aromatic Gajar ka Halwa. Now take a big pot on a medium flame, add your grated carrots and around 2 cups of water. After adding cup of water, mix it and let it simmer for around 15 minutes. Keep stirring in between until it becomes soft. Now in a hot pan we'll add a generous amount of ghee. I'm using around 100 to 150 grams of ghee. Let's be honest, ghee makes everything better. Once it melted, add 3 to 4 pods of cardamom and then pour all melted ghee in our grated carrots. After adding ghee, we'll add around 100 grams of sugar. First we have to mix it so it can soak all the ghee. We'll cook these carrots on a medium flame. Now add around 100 grams of sugar and again mix this well. Now we'll cook these carrots on a medium flame and letting them soak up all the ghee and sugar. It's time to elevate the flavor. Now I'm gonna add around 3 tablespoons of powdered milk and mix them gently. And then again add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. By adding this way, it will not form crumbs. Now add around 2 tablespoons of powdered milk again and see the carrots are slowly changing color, turning into a golden beautiful hue. That's when you know the magic is happening. Just mix it well, properly, take your time. Now time to sprinkle our crushed dry fruits and bring in some khoya. I'm using around 200 grams of khoya for this creamy goodness. Khoya is the essential part of this recipe, so you must add a generous amount of khoya. Mix everything and simmer it together until it thickens and becomes deliciously creamy. The moment of truth, our Gajar ka Halwa is ready, but wait, for the experience isn't complete without a final touch. Garnish it with a generous amount of khoya and crushed dry fruits. There you have it, a delightful, aromatic and absolutely indulgent Gajar ka Halwa. A celebration of flavors and tradition in every spoonful. It's like a warm hug on a cold day, isn't it? I hope you give this recipe a try and experience this joy it brings. Thanks for joining us on this sweet journey. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below. Until next time, keep eating and stay high on food. Allah Hafiz.